So this is the continuation of last video derivation. So the next step is third one is triatomic molecules. Triatomic molecules, first case linear molecules. Linear molecules of energy of 1 mole U is equal to 7 by 2 into kT into Na. So the energy U is equal to 7 by 2 RT. So what is the formula for the Cv? Cv is equal to du by dt. Here what is the value of U? 7 by 2 RT. Just substitute the U value. D by t dt into U value is 7 by 2 into RT. So differentiate this term, we get Cv is equal to 7 by 2 R. So what is the formula for the Cp? Cp is equal to Cv plus R. Cv value is 7 by 2 R plus R. 7 by 2 R plus R is nothing but 9 by 2 R. 9 by 2 R. So this is the formula gamma. Gamma is equal to Cp by Cv. So value of Cp is 9 by 2 R divided by value of Cv is 7 by 2 R. 2 to cancel R cancel, the remaining term 9 by 7. Gamma is equal to 1.28 for linear molecules, triatomic molecules in linear position. So non-linear position, second case is non-linear position. Energy of 1 mole of substance U is equal to 3 kT into Na. So U is equal to 3 RT. Now Cv formula is du divided by dt. U value is 3 RT. So d by dt into 3 RT. So Cv is equal to 3R. Cv is equal to 3R. So the next value formula is Cp is equal to Cv plus R. Cp is equal to Cv plus R. So Cp is equal to 3R plus R because Cv value is 3R. 3R plus R. So Cp is equal to 4R. What is the formula for the gamma? Gamma is equal to Cp divided by Cv is equal to 4R divided by 3R. R cancel. 4 by 3 is nothing but 1.33. So gamma is equal to 1.33 for non-linear molecules for the triatomic molecules. So this is very important detailed question answer, children. Please note it down. This is very important detailed question answer. The next topic is mean free path. This is very important. 2 more questions, children. Please listen carefully. Average distance. What is mean by mean free path? Means average distance traveled by a molecules between collision is called mean free path. It is represent lambda. We can calculate the mean free path based on the kinetic theory. So once again repeat. All the molecules are moving in a random manner, zigzag manner. So each molecules collide with another molecules at the room temperature. So average distance traveled by a molecules between collision is called mean free path. It is represent lambda. So this is the definition of mean free path. The next concept is expression for mean free path. Expression for mean free path. We know from postulates of kinetic theory that the molecules of a gas are in random motion and they collide with each other. Between two successive collisions, a molecule moves along a straight path with uniform velocity. This path is called mean free path. Consider a system of molecules each with diameter d. Let n be the number of molecules per unit volume. Now I am going to explain this concept. This is a cylindrical shape. It contains so many number of molecules filled with this is the gas filled with this cylinder. It has more number of molecules. So this collision distance is represented d. The distance moved by the molecules is represented dt. This dt obtained from velocity formula. Velocity d is equal to displacement by time again. So here displacement is equal to dt. So already we know the formula. Volume of the cylinder. What is the formula for the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. Here r is represented d and x is the displacement is represented dt. So volume of this cylinder is nothing but pi d square dt because r square is nothing but d square, x is nothing but dt. So this is the volume of the cylinder. So number of molecules collide with this volume of this cylinder. So from the mean free path definition, we obtain the formula lambda. Lambda is equal to distance traveled by number of collision. So between two successive collision is nothing but mean free path between two number of successive collision moving along the straight line is called mean free path. So in this cylindrical shape, the molecules are collide with the container, that is the walls of the container, and collide with each other. So the energy transfer from one molecules to the another molecules. So according to this formula, we get lambda is equal to distance traveled. This is the distance traveled. Distance traveled is represent dt divided by number of collision in this volume of the cylinder is nothing but n number of molecules present in the cylinder. That is why n. So volume of the cylinder pi d square into dt. dt cancel. So remaining term is lambda is equal to 1 by n into pi into d square. N pi d square. Now the lambda is equal to number of collision in this cylindrical shape. So this is the important point. Listen carefully. So here, though we have assumed that only one molecule is moving at a time and the other molecules are at rest. So if suppose the case is we have assumed that only one molecule is ஒரே ஒரு molecule மட்டும் moving ஆகுது ஒரு டைம்ல, மற்ற மாலிகுல்ல ரெஸ்ட்ல இருக்கும்போது in actual practice all the molecules are in random motion. Actually நம்ம சொல்லணும்னா எல்லா மாலிகுல்ஸுமே random motionல. So the average relative speed of one molecules with respect to other molecules has to be taken into account after some detailed calculation. The correct expression for mean free path. So average mean free path is the average mean for maybe the only one molecule is moving in a moving manner. So remaining are all at rest means. So the average mean free path lambda is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 into n into pi d square. Now multiply and divided by, because if we have a density, we have to calculate the density of this place. So multiply and divided by mass, small m. So lambda is equal to m divided by root 2 pi d square mn. Here mn is the mass per unit volume. It is represent rho, that is the density. Mn can be replaced as rho. So lambda is equal to m divided by root 2 into pi d square rho. Pi d square rho. Now already we know the formula. Pv is equal to nkT. Rearrange this equation. P is equal to n by v into kT. Here n by v can be written as n, small n, nkT. So small n can be written as n is equal to p divided by kT. This kT term goes to left hand side, means n is equal to p by kT. This n value is substituting in equation 9.6. So we get kT divided by lambda is equal to kT divided by root 2 into pi d square into rho. So because n value is p by kT, here substituting p by kT means kT move towards numerator there. So kT divided by root 2 into pi into d square into rho. Now once again repeat the derivation part. So here this is the volume of the cylinder, pi r square x pi r square pi d square dt can be written as pi d square. The average mean free path of the derivation lambda is equal to 1 by root 2 into n into pi d square. Here n is represent number of molecules present in the particular cylindrical shape. So now we have to calculate the density of this place. So lambda is multiple and divided by capital, small m. So mass multiple divided by mass. Lambda is equal to m divided by root 2 into pi d square mn. Pi d square mn. Here mn is represent mass per unit volume is equal to rho. Mass per unit volume is nothing but density, rho. So here mn can be replaced as rho. So lambda is equal to m divided by root 2 into pi d square into rho. So Pv is equal to nkT. Pv is equal to nkT. Already we know this formula. So rearrange this formula. P is equal to n by v into kT. N by v into kT. Here n by v is represent small n. Small n into kT. Now can be replaced again. Replace this step. We get n is equal to p by kT. Because from this step n is equal to this kT term goes to left hand side, means it is moved towards to denominator. So n is equal to p divided by kT. This n term will be substituted in this equation. We get lambda is equal to kT divided by root 2 pi find d square into rho. This is the mean free path equation, very important equation. So please note it down, children. So then important point is here case 1 is the real in this equation, m1 is the density. So this is the final solution formula. So important term is mean free path increases with increasing temperature. This is very important point, children. Please note it down. This is because this is very important auxiliary type question. Mean free path increases with increasing temperature. So when the temperature is increases, mean free path is increase. Mean free path means successive collision between the two molecules. After collision, the object moving, the molecules are all moving in a straight line. So that mean free path is increases, but that means successive collisions are all increases, because when the temperature increases, mean free path increases. As the temperature increases, the average speed of each molecules will increases. This is another one important point. Temperature increases means average speed of each molecules will increase. Over molecules average speed increase. It is the reason why the smell of hot sizzling food reaches several meters away than smell of cold food. So ஆர்ன ஒரு சாப்பாடை எடுத்து வச்சுட்டோம்னா அதனுடைய ஸ்மெல் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு அந்த அளவுக்கு இருக்காது. பட் சுட சுட இருக்கிற சாப்பாடு ஓபன் பண்ணும்போது அது சூடா செய்யும் போதே நம்மளுக்கு அந்த ஸ்மெல் வந்து லாங் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வரையும் டிராவல் ஆகும். பிகாஸ் அந்த மாலிகுல்ஸ் இடையில இருக்கிற கொலிஷனால கொலிஷன் மூலமா டிராவல் பண்ணி லாங் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வரையும் டிராவல் பண்ணும்போது அது எனக்கு நம்மளுக்கு அது ஏன்னா டெம்பரேச்சர் அதுல இன்க்ரீசஸா இருக்கு. ஹாட் ஃபுட்ல எப்படி இருக்குன்னா டெம்பரேச்சர் ஹை லெவல்ல இருக்கும்போது டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து லாங் டிஸ்டன்ஸ்ல அந்த மீன் ஃப்ரீ பாத் டிராவல் ஆகுது. அதனால நம்மளுக்கு என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா அந்த ஸ்மெல் ரீச் ஆகுது. செகண்ட் பாயிண்ட் இஸ் மீன் ஃப்ரீ பாத் இன்க்ரீசஸ் வித் டிக்ரீசிங் பிரஷர் ஆஃப் கேஸ் அண்ட் டயாமீட்டர் ஆஃப் த கேஸ் மாலிகுல்ஸ். So this is also very important point. Mean free path increases ஆகணும் எப்பனா decreases pressure of a gas and diameter of the gas molecules. இதெல்லாம் decrease ஆச்சுன்னா mean free path என்ன ஆகும்னா increases ஆகும். The next important topic is Brownian motion. So the last topic name is, once again repeat, mean free path. Expression for mean free path, very important. 3 mark or 5 mark question, children. Please note it down. The next topic is very important, 3 mark or 2 mark topic, Brownian motion. Brownian motion. So the very important 2 mark question is Brownian motion. So what is mean by Brownian motion? Means in a liquid moves randomly from one place to another place. That is that the scientist Robert Brown reported that grains of pollen suspended in a liquid moves randomly from one place to other. The random zigzag path motion of pollen suspended in a liquid is called Brownian motion. So this is the definition, children. Please note it down. The random zigzag path motion of pollen suspended in a liquid is called Brownian motion. அப்படினா என்ன, உள்ள இருக்கிற அந்த டஸ்ட் பார்ட்டிகல்ஸ் எல்லாம் zigzag பேட்டர்ன்ல மூவ் ஆகும்போது ஒன்னோட ஒன்னு என்ன கொலிஷன் நடக்கும். அந்த கொலிஷன் நடக்கிற அந்த மோஷனை தான் நான் சொல்றோம் Brownian motion. In fact, we can observe that dust particle in water moves in a random direction. இப்போ நீங்க டஸ்ட் எடுத்துட்டு வந்து வாட்டர்ல போட்டீங்கன்னா அது என்ன ஆகும்னா மூவ் இன் a random manner, ரேண்டமா மூவ் ஆகும், zigzag பேட்டர்ன்ல மூவ் ஆகும். The discovered puzzled scientists for long time. There were a lot of explanation for pollen or dust to move in a random direction. அது மூவ் ஆகிறதுக்கான நிறைய எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் நிறைய சயின்டிஸ்ட் கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க. ஆனா இது 19th century வரைக்கும் ஒரு கான்ட்ரோவர்சி இருந்ததுன்னா atoms are made up of small atoms, matters are made up of small atoms என்றதே நிறைய பேருக்கு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆகாம இருந்தது. பட் 1905 ல இன்ஸ்டிங் சிஸ்டமேட்டிக் தியரியில Brownian motion based on the kinetic theory and he deduced the average size of molecules. இதுல என்ன சொன்னாங்க, according to the kinetic theory any particle suspended in a liquid or gas is continuously bombarded from all other direction. bombardedனா ஒன்னோட ஒண்ணு வந்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணா collision நடக்கிறதுனால vibration create ஆகும். so each and every molecules another moleculesல collide with each other. so அப்போ என்ன ஆகும்னா bombarded vibration, இதனுடைய vibration அதுக்கு feel ஆகும். அப்போ transfer ஆகும்போது all the direction in the such mean free path is almost negligible. அதுல mean free path நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம் negligible. ஏன்னா mean free pathனா successive collision, after the successive collision all the molecules are should moving in a ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைன்ல தான் மூவ் ஆகணும். ஆனா இங்க ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைன்ல மூவ் ஆக வாய்ப்பு இல்லை. சோ அதை நெக்லிஜிபிள் பண்ணியாச்சுன்னா this leads to motion of the particles in a random and zigzag manner. அப்ப இந்த collision இங்க பாருங்க இந்த டயகிராம்ல collision இருந்ததுன்னா இந்த collisionக்கு அப்புறமா after the collision object moving in a random manner. So but when we put our hand in water, உங்களுடைய hand வாட்டருக்குள்ள இன்செர்ட் பண்ணியாச்சுன்னா mass of the hand ஹையா இருக்கிறதுனால அது என்ன ஆகாதுன்னா மூவ் ஆகாது. அது மூவ் ஆகாம அங்கேயே இருக்கும். சோ லார்ஜ் சைஸாவும் இருக்கு, அதனுடைய மாஸ் எக்ஸஸாவும் இருக்கிறதுனால அது மூவ் ஆகாது. So no random motion because the mass of our hand is so large that the momentum transferred by the molecular collision is not enough to move our hand. So once again repeat the concept of Brownian motion. The random zigzag path motion of pollen suspended in a liquid is called Brownian motion. Then next important 2 mark is, this is very important to mark, factors affecting Brownian motion. First point is Brownian motion increases with increasing temperature. Temperature increase பண்ணா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா நம்ம molecules எல்லாம் ஸ்பீடா மூவ் ஆகும். அப்ப ஸ்பீடா மூவ் ஆகும்போது ஸ்பீடா collide with each other. So Brownian motion நாவே zigzag motion. Zigzag motion நிறைய ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆச்சுன்னா Brownian motion increases ஆயிடும். So Brownian motion increases with increasing temperature. Second point is Brownian motion decrease ஆகணும்னா என்ன ஆகணும்? Bigger particle size, high viscosity and density of the liquid or gas. அப்ப Brownian motion வந்து decreases ஆகணும்னா bigger size of the particle இருந்ததுன்னா Brownian motion நடக்காது, zigzag patternல மூவ் ஆகாது. Next high viscosity liquidலயும் Brownian motion high-ஆ இருக்காது, decreases ஆகும். Then density of the liquid or gas, density high-ஆவும் இருந்ததுன்னா அதுல Brownian motion உடைய speed decreases ஆயிடும். So these important 2 points is for the factors affecting Brownian motion. Very very important 2 mark question children. So this is the last topic in this lesson, Brownian motion. So please you should watch this video from beginning to end. Please watch this video from beginning to end. So listen carefully, prepare well for your unit test children. So tomorrow day after tomorrow you have a unit test. Tomorrow you have a unit test. So you should prepare for the unit test. You should concentrate the particular question bank, question alone. Thank you very much children. All the best for your unit test.